In this tutorial, I'll show you how to adjust letter spacing in Figma to improve the appearance and readability of your text. Start by opening your Figma file and selecting the text layer you want to edit. With the text selected, look at the right-hand Properties panel and find the Typography section. Locate the letter spacing setting. This controls the amount of space between each character in your text. Click inside the letter spacing field and enter a new value. Use a positive number to increase the spacing or a negative number to bring the letters closer together. As you adjust the value, you'll see the text update instantly on the canvas. Increasing letter spacing can make headings feel more open and modern, while decreasing it can create a tighter, more compact look. Try different values until the text looks balanced and fits your design style. If needed, combine letter spacing adjustments with font size and line height changes for even better typography. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted letter spacing in Figma and can now fine-tune your text for a cleaner, more professional design. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.